Hi everyone, I'm Maddox. Welcome Grandpa's channel. Hi, welcome Grandpa's channel. I'm Maddox, and we're gonna talk about Grandpa's car. I'm Maddox. We're gonna talk about Grandpa's car, and I don't like Grandpa's car. I do like Grandpa's car.
Okay. What do you like about Grandpa's car?
The new engine.
Okay, show us what you like. Let's go point to it. Show us.
I like the wheels, and I like this one. I like this, and the other one.
Okay, what else?
It costs a lot of dollars, and I like it. I do want one.
You want one?
Yeah.
Okay, what else you like?
And look, over here have this, and this, and this, and this, and have the wheels over the back of this. And I have this over here, and this, and it's 2
So you like everything. You want to open the door?
Yeah. And look, you can do this, open it, and sit in it, and close the door, like that, and put the charger, and that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you don't like about Grandpa's car? What you don't like?
All of it. All of it. And
You like everything about it?
yeah, what?
Is it stuff you don't like?
I do like this one and this, and it has this on there, and has the back side. And come in the car with me.
I need to come in with you? Okay.
Mom, look! And it's very fun to drive. Very cool.
Is it fast?
Mom, look! I'm driving. And it pulls the trigger. And it goes back, pull this, and pull that, and go, and you see something, and look at the back side, and you did this, like that. Bye.
Say make sure to like,
Make sure to like Grandpa's car.
subscribe, and give Grandpa a thumbs up.
Get Grandpa's thumbs up.
See the thumb?
Thumbs up. Bye.
And hit the notification button.
And hit the notification button.
Okay, now you see.